Hey everybody, it's Project Onyx. Today's episode, it's all about Meso Customs. Big shout out to Meso Customs for sending me some of his products to install and review. If you don't know who Meso Customs is, please click the link below and check out his website for his other products as well. First box we're gonna open. Let's see. It's the ultimate turn signals. See right here. It's all blacked out with LED. Replaces that ugly chrome OEM look that comes with a stock Tacoma. So I'm really excited about this. Next we have the coin holder. Very easy. It's a bucket. I already have a coin holder in my center console, but could be used for other stuff as well. He does have a coin holder insert as well on his website as an option. These are your trim plates. This replaces the black trim plates underneath your headlights, giving a cleaner look. And this is a gas hole. It's a gas cap holder by Meso Customs. It's a 1-screw install. Keeps it from dangling. Saving for the best for last, the total tail light stage 1 kit, also known as switchbacks, turn signals. I'll be showing you a comparison from stock to aftermarket, installing these at the end. Applying pressure just only on this plate towards you, little by little. There you go. Well, not little by little, but it just snapped right off. Alright, what you want to do next is unscrew these 2 bolts here. And after you do that, this is very important. Please, these 2, it's like a pink and white cable, well, positive, negative. You want to, there's a hook that's holding onto it. You want to get that out of the way by pushing it out. See, now it's free. Alright, next you do is, there's a clip right here that you just squeeze and pinch. Let me get you a better angle. Right here. It's holding on to this bracket right here. Let me demonstrate that. Pinch. And then you're out. Now, it's fully exposed. And then you want to unplug this. There we go. Right now, you're gonna tuck this back in very carefully, the same way that you got it out. He did add some foam right here just to give it a little weather resistant proof. Just goes in right there, you see. Make sure it's flush on the bottom. Don't forget this wire. Hook it again. And it's it. There we go. And put these 2 screws back in. Right, next, just put the plate back on. Just the way you got it. Start from these 2 tabs right here. Align that up and press it in. Make sure you don't break those 2 tabs over there. It's very important. And just like that. There I have a coin holder previously, so this works out. This is one of the products I had before. This is from Meso. you're tired of your gas hanging like this, he does make a Gasshole cap adapter, which just goes on like that. So next is the trim plates. This is the black stock trim plates, and Meso made one that matches with your car. And I can actually say it's pretty on point. So it's not off or anything, so the one he sent me, it matches very well. So you do have to take this part off. Same procedure as taking off your grill, which is very easy, just a couple snaps. There are 2 screws, one right here and one right here. One of them located right here, so once you take this off, you have access to that bolt. This one right here, it's actually, let me show you. It's right here, okay? It's easy for me because I've already cut my bumper, but in most cases you might have to take out your bumper, but I'm sure there's an easier way of taking your fender lining out and then going underneath and unscrewing it from here. Alright, very easy. Take these 2 plastic tabs off, which are these, and then get a 10mm socket that was here. Take that out, and that's it, you're done. Just goes out like that. Alright, that's it. All you have to do is screw those 2 screws in and repeat on the other side, and that's it. Alright, save the best for last. Total tail light connector, stage 1 kit. Alright, what you're gonna need is a 10mm socket and the supplied plug and play adapters. Right, left, doesn't matter which one. Or 3. Alright, I'm going to take out these bulbs, the OEM ones, and replace it with the new LEDs. Same thing. Like that. There we go. And for your reverse, this is my old reverse LED. Gonna replace it with an even stronger, brighter switchback LED. And you can see there's 2 different colors on there, and you'll find out why. There we go. Alright, and these adapters, you're going to go in order, top, middle, and reverse. And it's pretty simple, you could just look at it. Right, just plugs right in. There we go. Reverse. There we go. And last one right here. Oh. So it's all plugged in. These will go into your OEM mounts. So it's literally easy, plug and play. It took me like less than 5 minutes to do it. This, there's a 3-inch tape behind, and you'll just have to mount that anywhere behind the tail light. Stuck it right there. Right there.